Welcome again. This is Ngatia, and I'm going to look at question 12. So the question reads, factorize a squared minus b squared, hence find the exact value of 2557 squared minus 2547 squared. Now, the first part of that question demands that we factorize that expression. So they have said, factorize a squared minus b squared. They have said, hence solve 2557 squared minus 2547 squared. So we have to first factorize. Now, there's a rule that dictates that a minus b, then a plus b, when opened, or actually when worked out, should be equivalent to a squared minus b squared. So that means when you find an expression having only two terms, such that they can all be able to give values when the square root of the respective items of each expression are actually able to get found, that becomes what you call an expression that can get referred to as a perfect square. In other words, that means the square root of the first part can be obtained and the square root of the second part can also be obtained. So how do I factorize this? I'll just say a minus b, a plus b. When I work out these two, I can be able to get a squared minus b squared. And in that manner, I can be able to come up with something different. And what is this? I can now be able to use this expression to actually work out this question. What do? I'm going to say a minus b multiplied, then a plus b multiplied. Then I'm supposed to find the value of this using this. What do? I'll take 2557 to stand for a, then I'll say 2547 to stand for b. So this is the same as saying a minus b. So that means 2557 minus 2547. Look at that. 2557 minus, I've said let 2557 be a, let 2547 be b. So if I want to work out this, I can say a minus b, 2557 minus 2547. Then I'll write this one down. So I'm going to have again 2557 plus 2547. Good. A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. So, what is the answer here? I'll pick my calculator and be able to get the answer for that. So, I'm going to have 2557 minus 2547, and my final answer is 10. So what I have here is 10. Then I'll close the brackets and come back to this other part of that same question, and I'll be able to give this as my values. So I'll say 2557 then plus 2547. So I'm going to get 5104. So I have 5104. What remains in this case is to multiply the two. So I'm going to say 5000, my answer, times 10. That gives me 51,040. So 51,040. That one becomes my final answer. Now, just to confirm that you're correct or you're on the right track, you can be able to actually enter those two values in the calculator by first getting them squared. You must actually be able to get the same answer. And that means you're supposed to say 2557 squared, then less 2547 squared. Your final answer is 51,040. The same answer that we've gotten here. So that tells you more in as far as using this third rule of quadratic expression is concerned in arriving at the final answer, just in case you get a question that demands you to actually give this answer. answer. Thank you for your time, and let's meet in our next video.